Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2020 Subaru Legacy Limited XT. This is the turbocharged model, and it's pretty much fully optioned. So this one's finished in crystal white. Trying to just scroll through, see what's kind of important on the window sticker. This one has the Harman Kardon audio. So overall, the sticker price is $36,649. This is all courtesy of Granite Subaru in Hudson, New Hampshire. Dual tailpipes. I really like the black accents. Try not to get my shadow in the way. Really like the black accents on the taillight. As you step back, it really sets this car off. Good amount of rear seat room. Nice little indent in the headliner to fit your head. Heated seats. Map pocket, even though I don't really know who uses maps anymore. Here's your key. Simple Subaru key, has a good weight to it. Love the Tesla-esque screen that is common with upper trim level Subarus of 2020. You can see there it comes with wheel locks. So this one is fitted with a CVT automatic transmission. However, this isn't like CVTs of yesteryear, where it would just hold a gear, or hold a certain RPM, I'm sorry, and that was it, that's what it would do. This one actually imitates gear changes, which is really good. I'm actually impressed this car is listed at $36,000. I thought from the overall feel of it, it would have been listed a bit more than that, but no. Steering wheel feels really good. Steering's nice and light. Perfect for a car like this. Visibility is great. You also have all the Subaru active safety features as well as the passive safety features. You have the blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning assist, and all those other great features. I love how Subaru they just kind of make the A-pillars a little bit smaller. That way, visibility is heightened. It's great. It's a great idea. You can hear the wastegate. That's pretty cool. And this has a good pull to it. After stepping out of an Aston Martin, it still feels pretty quick, so definitely has the oomph to deal with day-to-day basis. You have your electronic parking brake as well as a wireless charger. If that's not enough, you have 2 USB ports listed or put in there as well. The ride is really compliant. It's not wishy-washy, but it's also not beat you up stiff. It's a really good ride. So far, out of all the Subarus I've driven, this is probably my favorite. Well, sub the STI. But if I was looking for a really nice daily driver, this would be pretty high up there. over this kind of washboard material. Pretty compliant as well. You do also have the paddles in manual mode behind the steering wheel. However, since it's the CVT and it's not really changing gears, I go ahead and I leave it in drive. Brakes have a really good feel to them. I was giving it a decent push there, and I was able to modulate how much I wanted to give without kicking in the ABS system, so pretty good. I've always really loved Subaru gauges, how they're tilted to the side, not kind of flat like that. It's a pretty good idea. I personally think it makes them a little bit easier to read. Only problem I have encountered is that sometimes I feel like my RPMs are a little bit higher than they actually are. Here you have your auto start stop feature. What I like about Subarus of today is it tells you how much time during the trip it's been shut off, as well as how many gallons it's saved. Very cool feature. Much like the Outback, this also has facial recognition. So on top of having memory settings with your seats, when you come in, your face is read and your driver profile is loaded up. Very, very cool idea. Keep playing with that blow off L. That's quick, man. Great kick down too. Very responsive transmission, especially given the fact that how a CVT works is it continuously varies the bands to give you a different gear ratio. So it really has to work hard to find that right gear, and it does so pretty efficiently. So overall, I think if you're looking for a sub $40,000, you know, daily driver that's very luxurious and actually pretty fun to drive, I think this should definitely be on your list. I don't know what these lease for, but I'm assuming you can get a pretty decent lease deal on one of these. Great features. You know, you have very Tesla-esque touchscreen. Everything you touch is really, really nice materials. Even all this is soft touch. Up on the top of the dash is soft touch. That's not soft touch, but it has a great feel to it. This is all leather here, down your glove box. Overall, really, really well done Subaru. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and please stay tuned for future videos.